Hello and welcome to our online tutorial class of Asian International School. I am Neeraj Jain, your accounts teacher. We are continuing with the topic, the fundamentals of partnership. We have learned that we need to prepare partners capital account, PL appropriation account and the fluctuating capital method. We are doing one example of that and then we will do an example on fixed capital method. Let's start with our example. I am dictating one question over here and then we will do the solution of that. Suppose your question has given you X and Y, their capital account is 2 lakhs and 1,50,000. X has given loan to the business on 1st of October 2017, rupees 50,000. We are preparing accountancy for 17-18. Interest on capital is 12%. Interest on drawing 10%, 20% profit before interest on drawing, but after all appropriation to general reserve. That means question is saying that we need to create a reserve of 20% of net profit, but after deducting interest on capital, salary, X loan, but not interest on drawing. Salary of X and Y is 5,000 per month and Y is 22,500 per quarter. Commission, X will get 5% on sales and the sales figure is 3,50,000. Profit sharing ratio, now there is a twist. They are saying up to 1,75,000 profit, capital ratio will be followed. That is 2:1.5. 2:1.5. And after 1,75,000, equal ratio will be followed. We will see in our example. We will see in our solution. So this is the question given. Drawing of X and Y 1 lakh and 1,25,000 during the year. They are not seeing any date. And profit for the year is 4,61,000. Profit for the year is 4,61,000. Let's start our example. We will prepare first PL appropriation account. PL was 4,61,000 and loan amount was 50,000. Loan taken on 1st of October 2017. That means business has utilized the loan from partner October, November, December, January, February, March. That means for 6 months. And whenever any interest on loan rate is not given, we used to follow 6% per annum. So 50,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. 50,000 into 6 by 100 into 6 by 12. And the figure will come 1,500. So from 4,61,000, I will deduct 1,500. As we have learned that interest on loan and rent to partner are deducted from PL itself. They are not shown as an appropriation. They are not shown as distribution. So PL account 4,61,000 minus 1,500. It will come to 4,59,500. It will come to 4,59,500. Now coming to next item. By interest on drawing. 1 lakh and 1,25,000 is the drawing. 1 lakh is the drawing of Mr. X and 1,25,000 is drawing of Mr. Y. Then how we should deal it? It's very simple. 1 lakh into interest on drawing is 10%. No date is mentioned, and whenever date is not mentioned, we take period as average. Formula is annual amount into rate into time. Time is not given, we will take average, that is 6 by 12. So 1 lakh into 10% into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. And same for Mr. Y. 1,25,000 into 10 by 100 into 6 by 12. The figure will come 5,000 and 6,250. We will write over here in the name of X and Y. Now coming to debit side, that is the division, the appropriation of the items. Interest on capital. X has introduced 2 lakh capital and Y has introduced 1,50,000 capital. Interest rate is 12%. So 2 lakhs into 12%. 1,50,000 into 12%. It will come to 24,000 and 18,000. I have written over here. X has been said that he will pay interest, he will pay commission. X has been said that he is getting commission, that is 5% on sales of 3,50,000. So 3,50,000 into 5%, it will come to 17,500. It will come to 17,500. Salary has been said 5,000 per month and 22,500 per quarter. So 5,000 into 12, it will come to 60,000. 22,500 into 4 per quarter is said. So into 4, it will come to 90,000. Now, very important point, last two, reserve and partners capital. What has been said about reserve? 20% profit before interest on drawing, but after all appropriation to general reserve. That means before adding interest on drawing, but deducting all the items. That means 4,59,500 minus 24,000 minus 18,000 minus 17,500 minus 60,000 minus 90,000. That will come to 4,59,500. We will not adjust this because it has been said before interest on drawing. That means interest on drawing is not to be adjusted. So 4,59,500 minus 24,000 minus 18,000 minus 17,500 minus 60,000 minus 90,000. The figure comes into 20%. The figure will come into 20%. That means 2,50,000 into 20%. 2,50,000 into 20%. It will come to 50,000. We have put it here. Now the profit remains, we need to distribute among the partners, and the criteria is given that up to 1,75,000 profit will be divided in capital ratio, and after 1,75,000 it will be divided equally. What is my exact profit? We will add all this and we will deduct all this. We will add all these 4,59,500, 50,000, 6,250. And we will deduct 24,000, 18,000, 17,500, 60,000, 90,000, 50,000. It will come to 2,11,250. 2,11,250. 2,11,250. Now up to 175, it will be divided equally. Up to capital ratio. Up to 1,75,000, it will be divided in capital ratio. That means 1,75,000 will be divided in 2:1.5 ratio. In 2:1.5 ratio. That will come 1,75,000. 1,75,000. Remaining profit, that is 51,000 something. It will come to 175 minus 2,11,000. 25, 35, 36,250. 36,250 will be divided equally. So up to total 2,11,000, 175 will be divided in capital ratio and remaining will be divided in equal ratio. I repeat my line. Total profit will come 2,11,250. That will be divided up to 1,70,000. Out of that, 1,75,000 will be divided in capital ratio, that is 2:1.5, and the figure will come 1,75,000, and the remaining profit will be divided in equal ratio, that will be 18,000 something. So it will be divided like this. So we have prepared PL appropriation. Now we will learn how to prepare partners capital, because it's a fluctuating method. All the items will go in partners capital. Partners has capital 2,50,000. I have written this 2,50,000. They are getting interest on capital 24,000, 18,000. I have written this. They are getting salary 60,000, 90,000. I have written this. They are getting reserve. They are not getting reserve. Sorry, reserve will be in business itself. So they are getting partners capital profit. So 1,18,125, 93,125. I have written this. Now this side, whenever capital increases, it will be written in credit side as capital has a credit balance. As you know, accounting rule, whatever side opening balance is there, whenever that ledger increases, we should write in that side, and whenever a ledger decreases, we should write in opposite side. So here, because of interest on capital, salary, commission, profit, a partner's capital is increasing. So I have written in this opening balance and I have written all the item over here. Now, due to any item, when that ledger is decreasing, we will write in the opposite side. Here, due to drawing, interest on drawing, the ledger is decreasing. So here drawing is 1 lakh, 1,25,000. Interest is 5,6250. And then we will add all these, deduct both, we will get our balancing figure, 2 balance CD. That will be my capital of Mr. X and Y. 3,14,625 and 2,19,875. That will be my capital. So in this way, we are going to prepare the 2 accounts. So students, we are doing our second example. In this we will learn how to prepare current account and capital account both. That means fixed capital method. We are going to learn fixed capital method. Let's take an example. Here are 3 partners A, B, C and their profit sharing ratio is 5:3:2. The question is already given you profit sharing ratio. Capital 50,000, 30,000 and 20,000. Interest on capital 5%. They will receive 5% interest. Salary of B and C. A is not getting any salary. B and C are getting 5,000 each per annum. 5,000 each per annum. That means 5,000 per year. Drawing of A, B and C. 10,000, 5,000 and 6,000. Profit is 45,000. Current account balance. Look, we are preparing fixed capital method. So if they give you current account balance, we will put it separately. A's credit balance is 4,500. Listen it properly. B's credit balance is 1,500 and C's credit balance is 1,000. C's debit balance is 1,000, sorry. So A and B have a credit balance and C has a debit balance, that means negative balance. Capital credit balance means positive and debit balance means negative. Interest on drawing is 10%. Reserve 10% of net profit after all adjustment. Reserve 10% of net profit after all adjustment. Alright, we are starting our sum. We will write by PL net profit 45,000. By PL account 45,000. There is no interest on loan, no rent to partner, so we will not deduct anything. We will directly write 45,000 from the question. Interest on drawing 10% per annum. He has drawn 10,000. 10,000 into 10% into 6/12 because during the year he has drawn, we don't know the date. So we will make it average. 10,000 into 10% into 6/12, that is 500. 5,000 into 10% into 6/12, that is 250. And 6,000 into 10% into 6/12, that is 300. So we have got this figure. Now interest on capital 5% per annum. So 50,000 into 5%, 30,000 into 5% and 20,000 into 5%. It will come to A 2,500, B 1,500, C 1,000. Salaries only B and C will get 5,000 each, 5,000 each. Reserve they have told you 10% after all adjustment. So 45,000 plus all interest on drawing, that means 1050 minus 2,500 minus 1,500 minus 1,000 minus 5,000 minus 5,000. That means PL plus interest on drawing minus interest on capital minus salary. We are getting a figure of 31050. You can calculate it. We are getting a figure of 31050. That is 31,050 into 10%. That is 3105 will be reserved. Now, after adding all these and deducting all, including reserve, we will get our profit. That means 45,000 plus 1050 minus 2,500 minus 1,500 minus 1,000 minus 5,000 minus 5,000 minus 3105. That means PL plus interest on drawing minus interest on capital minus salary minus reserve. We will get our profit. That will be 27,945. We are getting our profit 27,945, which we will distribute among A, B and C in their PSR 5:3:2. Our PL appropriation account is done. Second account we will open partners capital account. Now listen very carefully. We have got our opening balance 50,000, 30,000, 20,000 of capital. They have given you the opening balance of capital. I have put all the opening balance. During the year they have not got any further capital and there is no permanent drawing. During the year there is drawing but it is not permanent drawing. The question will say permanent drawing or drawing of capital. The question will say permanent drawing or drawing of capital. Then only if further capital is brought, we should write by bank here, and any permanent drawing or drawing of capital is done. we will write here to cash or bank. But in this question there is nothing. So opening capital will become their closing capital. That's how they are saying fixed capital. They don't want to change their capital figure unnecessary due to all the adjustments. They don't want all these adjustments to affect their capital. That's why they are keeping their capital same. Now all the figure will go to current account. We have got the current account opening balance 4,500 and 1,500 and 1,000 debit balance. So both these are credit balance. I have written in credit side A and B. Buy balance CD 4,500, buy balance CD 1,500, and C as a debit balance. So we have written in debit side. Look at here. 4,500 has been written in A, 1,500 in B in credit side, and C as a debit balance we have written in debit side. So credit balance in credit side, debit balance in debit side. We have written it. They have a drawing of 10,000, 5,000, 6,000 I have written. They have interest on drawing I have written. They are getting interest on capital 2,500, 1,500, 1,000 we have written. Only B and C is getting salary. So we have not written any figure in A. We have written figure in B and C. And then there is a profit 13,972, 8,384, 5,589. We have put it over here. This side drawing, interest on drawing. So adding all these, that means adding opening balance, adding interest on capital, adding salary, adding profit, deducting drawing, deducting interest on drawing, we will get our balance CD. So we are getting two balances here. One is of capital, one is of current account. Both the figure will go separately in our balance sheet. Both the figure will go separately in our balance sheet. So this is how we need to prepare when they are going to give you a fixed capital method. And in our previous example we have discussed how to prepare when they are going to give you a fluctuating capital method.